Repairs the outside temperature display function caused by failed ambient temp sensor. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. ACDelco GM original equipment ambient air temperature sensors are used with automatic climate control systems. The sensors provide the HVAC system controller with outside air temperature, allowing the controller to modify the climate control strategy. The sensors may also provide the signal for the outside temperature in the driver information display. This original equipment ambient air temperature sensor is a GM recommended replacement for your vehicle's original components and has been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. Made better than aftermarket ones works exactly as it should. Easy install, very accurate, takes about 10 minutes when replacing these to get a acuurate reading. Once 10 minutes are up, works perfectly. Usually. You have to replace on GM or Chevy when temp reads 40, and that in turn can make AC not work in summer sometimes.